A geotextile mound septic system for a tiny house uses fabric layers to stop solids from migrating into the sand mound so the system lasts longer. For a compact system, start by designing the mound with a geotextile separator between the sand media and native soil to trap fine particles while allowing effluent to pass. Use a well-graded sand media with a uniform particle size distribution to promote even infiltration and reduce channeling that carries solids. Include a small pretreatment unit such as a septic tank with effluent filter or an aerobic treatment unit to sharply lower suspended solids before they reach the mound. Lay the geotextile with minimal wrinkles and overlap seams by at least 12 inches using non-degradable UV-stable fabric to keep the interface intact during backfill and settling. Establish shallow-rooted vegetation on the mound for evapotranspiration and to protect the surface. Avoid deep root species that can disturb the sand. Design the mound so media zones are accessible from the surface for periodic replacement or spot repair without excavating the entire system. Homeowners often skimp on pretreatment and then blame the mound for clogging. Add an effluent filter and schedule occasional inspections to catch high solids early. Another common issue is installing the wrong sand gradation, which leads to rapid fines migration. Perform a sieve analysis or source sand from specialty suppliers to match the design specification. Finally, many people ignore surface protection and allow compacting or planting trees on the mound. Keep vehicle and livestock traffic off the area and choose shallow-rooted grasses for long-term stability. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like tiny house septic systems so we can find local professionals and share experiences. We host a discussion community where we exchange real-world tips, ask questions, and learn from others who have installed geotextile mound systems.